Have you ever noticed your cat pausing mid-sniff, with their mouth slightly agape and an almost comical expression of disgust on their face? It's a moment that many cat guardians can relate to, often eliciting a chuckle or a puzzled look. But what's really going on when your cat makes this stinky face? Is it just your cat's reaction to something unpleasant? Or could there be a deeper, more intriguing explanation behind this seemingly odd cat behavior? Before we dive in, please subscribe to Wise Animals and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos. The truth behind the stinky face. What we affectionately call the cat stinky face is scientifically known as the Flehmen response, a sophisticated and highly specialized behavior. Contrary to what its nickname might suggest, this expression isn't a cat's reaction to a foul odor. Instead, it's your cat's way of gathering important sensory information from their environment, much like a detective analyzing clues at a crime scene. When a cat exhibits the Flehmen response, they open their mouth slightly, curl back their lips, and pause, appearing almost statuesque. This behavior allows cats to direct scent particles toward the Jacobson's organ, also known as the vomeronasal organ, located on the roof of their mouth. This organ is a fascinating piece of evolutionary biology, enabling cats to detect and analyze pheromones, chemical signals that convey a wealth of information. Pheromones can tell a cat about the identity, reproductive status, and even the emotional state of other animals. By engaging in the Flehmen response, cats are able to read these invisible chemical messages in a way that goes far beyond what their noses alone can accomplish. Why do cats make the stinky face? To fully appreciate why cats use the Flehmen response, it's essential to recognize the critical role that the sense of smell plays in their survival and overall well-being. For cats, scent is far more than just a way to experience the world. It's their primary method of communication, navigation, and even social interaction. While humans tend to rely predominantly on visual cues to make sense of their environment, cats depend heavily on their highly developed olfactory abilities to interpret and respond to their surroundings. This acute sense of smell allows them to detect subtle chemical signals in their environment, enabling them to communicate with other cats, identify potential threats or prey, and establish territorial boundaries. When a cat rubs its face, paws, or body against objects in its environment, it's not just indulging in a casual stretch or satisfying an itch, it's engaging in a purposeful act of communication. This behavior deposits pheromones, chemical signals produced by specialized glands located in various parts of the cat's body. The facial glands, found around the cheeks and chin, are particularly active during headbutting, a common behavior where a cat presses its head against objects or people, leaving behind a signature scent that marks the area or person as part of the cat's territory. Similarly, cats have scent glands in their paws, which are activated when they scratch surfaces, making scratching not just a way to keep their claws sharp, but also a method of depositing their scent on key areas within their territory. Additionally, though less noticeable, the anal and tail glands contribute to marking, especially when a cat raises its tail and backs up to an object, leaving a subtle scent mark that can be significant in multi-cat households where dominance and territory are more fluid. Finally, when cats rub their flanks or sides against furniture, walls, or even their humans, they are spreading their scent further, reinforcing the boundaries of their personal space. Now that we have explained just how crucial scent is for cats and the role the stinky face plays in scent analysis, let's move on to some key reasons why cats perform the Flehmen response. 1. Curiosity and novelty. Cats are known for their inquisitive nature, and they often explore their surroundings through their keen sense of smell. When a cat encounters a novel or unusual scent, it may trigger the Flehmen response as a way to gather more detailed information about the new stimulus. This behavior is not just about understanding the scent, but also about satisfying the cat's natural curiosity. For example, a cat might display the Flehmen response after sniffing a new piece of furniture, the shoes of a visitor, or even a piece of clothing that has been exposed to unfamiliar environments. This heightened sense of smell allows cats to make sense of their world, ensuring they are aware of any changes in their environment that could impact their well-being. 2. Connection to human-cat bonding. Cats use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent to convey their feelings, intentions, and needs. The Flehmen response is a key part of this communication toolkit, allowing them to interpret the subtle messages hidden in scents. It also plays a subtle role in the bond between humans and cats. When a cat investigates a human's scent, perhaps by sniffing a hand or piece of clothing, and then displays the Flehmen response, it is engaging in a complex process of scent recognition that strengthens the bond. The cat is effectively cataloging the scent of its human companion, which contributes to its sense of security and familiarity. Understanding and appreciating this behavior can help cat owners better interpret their pet's actions and deepen their connection with them. Moreover, by paying attention to when and where your cat exhibits the Flehmen response, you can gain insights into what might be capturing their interest or causing them concern. For instance, cats may display it after sniffing certain human scents, especially if they are unfamiliar or particularly strong. Cats might react this way to perfumes, cleaning products, or even the scent of sweat, which can contain traces of pheromones. 3. Territory marking and recognition. Cats are inherently territorial creatures, and scent plays a vital role in defining and maintaining their territories. When a cat rubs its face, body, or paws against objects, it leaves behind pheromones produced by glands located in these areas. These chemical markers serve as invisible signposts to communicate with other cats. The Flehmen response allows a cat to analyze these pheromones more thoroughly, helping it determine if a territory has been recently marked by another cat. This behavior is particularly important in multi-cat households or areas with high cat populations, where understanding and respecting territorial boundaries can prevent conflicts and ensure harmonious living. 4. Social interactions and mating. The Flehmen response is not just about territorial boundaries, it also plays a critical role in social and reproductive behaviors. Male cats, especially unneutered ones, exhibit this behavior more frequently when they detect the scent of a female in heat. The pheromones present in the female's scent provide detailed information about her reproductive status, which the male cat can assess through the Flehmen response. This behavior is a key factor in courtship and mating rituals, ensuring that mating occurs at the optimal time for reproduction. Interestingly, while the Flehmen response is most commonly associated with males, females may also use it to evaluate the reproductive status of potential rivals or to gauge the presence of nearby males. 5. Assessing potential threats. In the wild, survival depends on a cat's ability to detect and assess threats in its environment. The Flehmen response allows cats to analyze the scents left behind by other animals, helping them identify whether they are dealing with a potential predator, a rival, or a member of their own social group. This instinctual behavior has been retained in domestic cats, who may use it when encountering the scent of a strange animal on their territory. By processing the chemical information through the Jacobson's organ, a cat can determine the level of threat or the social hierarchy of the animals around them, which is crucial for making decisions about fight or flight responses. Now, 3 curiosities on the Stinky Face. First of all, the Stinky Face response is not limited to cats. This behavior is observed in a wide range of species, including big cats like lions and tigers, as well as horses, goats, and even some reptiles. In each of these species, the Flehmen response serves a similar purpose: to enhance the detection and analysis of pheromones. Second, it is a tool for mother cats. Female cats, particularly mothers, use their sense of smell to recognize and bond with their kittens. The Flehmen response may play a role in helping mother cats identify their young by scent, especially in the chaotic environment of a multi-kitten litter. Finally, not all scents trigger the Flehmen response in cats. Cats are more likely to exhibit this behavior in response to pheromones or other biologically significant smells, such as the scent of another cat or the urine of a potential rival. This selective response highlights the cat's ability to prioritize certain types of information over others. The next time you see your cat pause, mouth ajar, and eyes wide in what appears to be a moment of profound distaste, you'll know that they're not simply reacting to a bad smell. Instead, they are engaging in a complex and highly refined behavior that allows them to explore and understand their world in ways that go far beyond our human senses. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support not only encourages us, but also helps other cat lovers discover our content. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below, and consider subscribing to the Wise Animals channel for more informative videos on understanding and caring for our feline friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.